Hey guys, here we're here at testing the new Pegasus drone out. Phil's come up, spend the day with a couple of the lads here. We're on our winter sojourn, so yep.
So we've got the lock, we're ready to go.
And Phil's got the lock, he's ready to go. Armed. There you go, Pegasus starting up she goes. Phil's got 7 baits on this. Very hard to see it now. It's going up. Taking it into the glare, so it's hard for me to keep an eye on it. And yeah, I can't see it now. Away it goes out there. It's into the sun a little bit, so it's very hard to pick it up. Away she goes, she's flying out. We're going to have a look at the rod. And Alan.
60 metres out, 150 metres.
He's out, up 60 metres, he's out 150.
Yep.
Phil's on control.
Flying out at 5 metres per second.
Beautiful day. But plenty, it definitely turns it on. How far out are you now, Phil?
We're 370.
370 out. And he's just dropped it. Beautiful.
So we used 800 milliamps so far, drawing 10 amps, so 84% of the battery left. We're at 32 metres up. There she is coming down, and 5 metres up it slows down. If I want to cancel the landing I can by pushing the throttle up, and there it goes. So as you can see, it is very stable sitting there. Not moving at all. Got the camera on the front, I didn't use that today, and we've got the 5 amp hour battery underneath it, so we'll come down and land manually, so you can gently come down as soft and gentle as you want, and then you just hold the throttle down and it turns off. There we go, all done.